Hi, my name is Lindsay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to simplify algebraic expressions. Alright, PEMDAS is an acronym. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And it's the order of operations. Basically the order or the steps that you have to take in order to simplify expressions. For example, if you have parentheses in your expression, then you do parentheses first. If you don't have parentheses, then you look at if you have exponents, and then that's what you would do first. Alright, and the reason why the multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, the reason why they have the same colors is because multiplication doesn't necessarily go before division. Solve the expression from left to right. So here's an example right here. 5 divided by 3 times 2. You wouldn't necessarily do multiplication first. You wouldn't do 3 times 2. You would go from left to right. You would solve it from left to right. So you would divide these first. So 5 divided by 3. Then you multiply by 2. Same goes for addition and subtraction. Just because addition is before subtraction in the acronym doesn't mean that it goes first. So right here you would do 2 plus 1, 3, and then you would subtract 10 and then add 3. So basically, in regards to multiplication and division, you go from left to right of the expression. In regards to addition and subtraction, you go from left to right. So the problem is 6x plus 2x plus 3. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to add like terms. The like terms are 6x and 2x. They are the like terms because they both have a variable next to them, and that variable is x, while 3 doesn't have a variable. It's just an integer by itself. So you're going to add 6x plus 2x, and that is going to be 8x, then plus 3, and that is the answer, 8x plus 3. Alright, so the next problem is 4 plus 3a plus 5b plus 6a. Alright, so again, you're going to add the like terms. Alright, so let's look for what coefficients or numbers have a variable next to them and the same variable. So let's look for a's. So 3a has an a, 4 does not have an a, 5 has a variable, but it's a b, so that's not the same. Then 6 has an a, so that would be its other like term. So then you're going to add these, and that would be 9a. Alright, so then let's look for b's. This one's already out, this one's already out, so it can't be that. 4 does not have a variable, so it's not that. So 5b would be by itself, so 5b. Then the only thing you have left would be that 4. So then you would just add that 4, and there is your simplified answer. 9a plus 5b plus 4. Alright, so this is the next problem. 2 minus 3 parentheses m minus 1 plus 4m plus 2. Alright, so let's look at the parentheses. There are no like terms in the parentheses, so you can't do anything to it. So this is just going to stay like that. But what you can do to the parentheses is distribute. So that's what you're going to do first, distribute. So you're going to bring down that 2 minus 3m, because negative 3 times m is going to be negative 3m. Alright, and then negative 3 times negative 1, these negatives, they turn into positives because negatives like each other. They're both negative, so they both enjoy their company. Alright, so this is going to be plus 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. Remember, those negatives cancel out. Alright, then you just bring that 4m down, and the 2. Now what you're going to do, combine like terms. Alright, so you're going to do negative 3m plus 4. That's going to be 1m, or it could just be m. Doesn't matter. 1 times anything is just that, whatever that number is. These cancel out because we got 1m. Alright, and then we're left with 2 plus 3 plus 2. And you're just going to add them because they're all the same. They don't have a variable. They're just numbers. So 2 plus 3, 5, plus 2 is 7. So plus 7. All right, and this is your answer, but if you want to simplify it a little more, you could just get rid of that 1, and then we're left with m plus 7. And that's it. Bye!